Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are currently doing an e-commerce website series where we are developing e-commerce website from really scratch. These are the four videos that are uploaded here in this playlist. If you guys have not watched them yet, do watch them so that you can follow us. Also, this is going to be a video number 5 of this series, and what we are going to do in this video is we will see that how we are going to update the products and delete the products. So let's start. Here I am in e-commerce website in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, first thing first, what I have to do is I will run the command to serve it locally, and I will now open this link. This is our e-commerce website. I will click here, become a seller, and we will simply sign up here. Okay, the problem is that I haven't started XAMPP yet, and I was trying to deal with the database and it just happened. Okay, so I guess it will work fine now. Perfect. So we are now at vendor dashboard. So the only thing which is dynamic right now are products. We will go here in the products, and here we have no products yet because this is a new vendor who has just signed up. So I will click here on upload products. So here is a new page of add product. So we can add any product of our choice. I will fill the form by using fake filler. As we are learning things out, we are not actually putting a real product here. So okay, let's make this bit realistic. Perfect. Submit. Product uploaded successfully. So now I will go back in products and I will view it. So here our product is listed and we can clearly see that. So now in this video, what I'm going to do is I will make these actions working, like the edit one and the delete one. So let's do that. Okay, so for edit, first of all, what we have to do is I will create a edit route which will take us to the edit page. I will come here in web.php. I will create a edit route, get edit product, vendor controller class edit product. With the name of edit underscore product. Perfect. Also, what I'm gonna add here is ID, because we're gonna send the ID of the product which we want to edit. Now we have to create a function here in vendor controller, function with the name of edit product, public function edit product, which has a ID with it. So we're gonna get it this way. and I will, first of all, we have to check that what it is taking with it, like the ID, and then we can find the product and then we can send the data of that product, like that. Stay tuned. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I will go here in the manage and I will add here a route vendor.edit product with the ID basically, which we will send like this. Now let's check what is going to happen. Okay, it should be product into ID, just like this. Okay, so what we have to do is we should write here ID and we should check the ID. It's 6. You guys can see it here as well. What we can do is we can encrypt this ID for security reasons. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so I will be encrypting this ID. What you have to do is you have to come over here, select this ID and enter encrypt, and that's it. What you have to do here is, now let me show you that first. I will refresh it. I will click here. This is the encrypted ID rather than 6. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say product equals to, as this is the ID, we will decrypt it first. Decrypt ID product colon find of a ID. Perfect. The spelling of the decrypt are not correct. This is the correct one. So now I'm going to show you guys the product. So here we got the data of this product. Now we have to send this product information to the view, to the edit page. I will return it to vendor.products.edit with compact product. Perfect. Now let's create this page. I'm gonna go here in the resources, views, vendor, products, and create a file with the name of edit.plate.php, and it will be really similar with the create one, so I'm just copying the create one and you will then modify it. Now what we have to do is we have to change it to edit product, and we have to exclude this out, update product, also I will definitely we will add here a input field of ID with the value product into ID. and type will be hidden, or it will be hidden. Name will be ID. Okay, so here is the issue. I'm gonna change it to product, and it will work for me. Okay, so vendor dot update product is not allowed. It should be a post route. We should create it. Route colon post, and vendor controller colon class with update product function name as update product. Perfect. Now let's check this out. Okay, I just corrected it. Okay, so here we have our edit product page. So now I just want to add the value of this product over here, and we can do that with value product into name, value product into, here we don't need to add value, we can simply add it like this, product into description, and we can for price product into price, color, product into color, discount, quantity. Perfect. Now let's see. Okay, so it worked really fine. Now what you can do is you can make changes to it, and you can simply submit it out. Like you can make any changes, and it will replace all previously submit information with this updated one. So let's see that. Here I have to create a function, and as it is a post request, so I'm gonna add this here, and for now I will delete it. Now let's check what's coming. Submit, and this is the data which is coming towards us. Now what I have to do is we have to validate it first, and the validate function will remain same, remain this one. Once validated, what we're gonna do is we will, as we have ID as well, so we have to add here ID should be required, and we can say it will be from users, or we can skip that. It should be required. Okay, so on the basis of this ID, we will find the product, validated ID. Now once it is found, what we're going to do is product into update, and what we have to update is validated. But what we can do is, let's do this. It is much better name into validated name. Description, okay, description, upper price, color, quantity, discount, image. And for image, what we have to do is we have to store its path. So image path equals to just as above. We're gonna copy that, this one, and we will replace it, obviously. Perfect. So for image, it's image path. Okay, name, description, color, price, quantity. Okay, so everything is done here, and it will update the product. What we're going to do is now we will return with product updated successfully. We did it back with success. Product updated successfully. Okay, so now as it has perfectly updated our product, you guys can see here that the name, description, price, and the things which we have updated are now updated. So let's correct this. So I'm gonna name it sugarcane, and the price and the color blue. And the color blue, let's update it. Okay, so we have to choose an image. I guess we should make image. Let's do that. Image should be nullable, and if request has image, only then there will be we can say image path will be like this, otherwise it will be null. Here we can simply say it like this, or what we can do is we can make it null initially and then update it. I guess this is fine. Let's check this out. Now I will try to refresh it first. Blue 12 to 15 and shoe, and now I will update it. Okay, we have a parameter here in edit page, an image required, so we have to remove it from here. Now let's see what is happening. I will refresh it again because we have to do it. I will make it blue 15% and shoe. Now I'm gonna submit it. Okay, image cannot be null. Okay, so what we have to do, we should add here that we should do this instead. That initially image is product into image. If request has image, then the path will be changed and it will be submitted. Now let's see what is going to happen. Okay, it is updated successfully. Let's try it for once. Again, I will change the quantity to 7, submit, and it is updated perfectly. Now what we have to deal with, we have to deal with the delete thing. So let's do that. First of all, what I'm going to do is I will create a delete route just like this. User1 route colon delete and delete user, delete product, sorry, delete product ID. Here we have to add our controller and method. Vendor controller colon class delete product name delete underscore product. Now we have to create this function in vendor controller. Let's do that. Public function delete product. We have the ID here. We will simply decrypt this ID. ID equals to decrypt ID. Now we will find it, product, find ID, and what we will do now is we will delete the product, into delete, and then a return with the message that product deleted successfully. Now let's check this out. We have to link this. I will go here in the manage. I will add here the route vendor dot delete product with encrypted ID product into ID. Perfect. Now let's do this. I will click here. Okay, get method is not supported. Get method is not supported for the route, and the supported method is delete. So we have to make it get first of all, and now it should work. Perfect. Product deleted successfully. Now for the final review, I will submit add a product. We have to add the image as well. We will submit it. We will go here in the products. Here is the product. We will update this product. Color as red. Discount as 0. Now let's update it. It is updated successfully. Now I will delete this and delete it successfully. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos because we are going to take this to end. Last but not the least, what we have to do is I am updating the code on GitHub. I'm pushing the code. You guys can check that from the depot. You guys can check the code from the repository. Let me do this. Commit, update, and delete function, and delete functionality of products, and get pushed. Perfect. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.